Want to catch every touchdown from every game on Sundays? NFL RedZone is your answer, and there are a few ways to get it depending on how you watch football. If you're on YouTube TV, go to membership section and add the Sports Plus package. This unlocks NFL RedZone along with other sports channel and it's billed monthly so you can cancel after the season. If you already have NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube, you can upgrade to Sunday Ticket Plus RedZone bundle for extra fee and watch both in one place. If you prefer another service, you can check Hulu Plus, Live TV, Sling TV, or Fubo. They all offer Red Zone as add-ons. Prices and availability vary, but most give you the option to add it without committing to a long contract. Keep in mind that Red Zone only runs for about 7 hours on Sunday during the regular season, so it's not a 24/7 channel. It's designed for non-stop scoring action. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.